7 days to relieve anxiety. Day 1, calm anxiety fast. Welcome. Take a moment for yourself and begin to slow down. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And slowly release the breath out through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to drop and your jaw to soften. Let your body begin to settle into stillness. Bring your attention gently to your breathing. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. There is nothing you need to change or fix. Simply observe the breath as it flows. If your mind feels busy, that is completely okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. Feel the air entering your body. And feel the air leaving your body. With each exhale, imagine tension melting away. Let go of any tightness in your chest. Release any heaviness in your stomach. Allow your thoughts to slow down naturally. You do not need to chase or control them. Just watch them pass like clouds in the sky. Return your awareness to the present moment. Focus on the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Each inhale brings calm into your body. Each exhale releases anxiety and stress. Feel your heartbeat beginning to slow. Feel your mind becoming more quiet. You are safe in this moment. You are allowed to relax. Let your breath guide you deeper into calm. Allow your body to feel heavy and supported. There's nothing you need to do right now. Just breathe and be present. If tension appears, gently soften around it. Let your breath flow through that space. Notice how your body feels lighter with each breath. Notice how your mind begins to clear. Stay here in this peaceful awareness. Breathing slowly and gently. Let calm spread through your entire body. Let stillness fill your mind. You are creating space for peace. Take one more deep breath in. And slowly release it out. Begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Gently move your fingers and toes. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.